a canyon made from volcanic activity millions of years back now shows a variety of different rock formation of granite, dolomite, basalt, quartz. The red color is granite, the white color is quartz, the yellow color is dolomite, and the greenish color is basalt, greenish black. Look at the beautiful pond, and the interesting thing, you can see the falls that would be actually there during heavy monsoons. Although right now it is not a monsoon and the water level is low, but that's the reason why you are able to see all the rocks formation, because otherwise the water will cover most of this area. This is the mini Grand Canyon of India. And no, it's not a Colorado River, but it is the Ken River. Ken River used to be called Karnavati, but now it is anglicized to Ken River. The waterfall you saw earlier in that video is now currently still there throughout 24/7, 365. A gorgeous formation, never to miss it.